Today I'm going to be showing you guys a delicious bourbon cedar plank salmon dish that will leave your family and friends amazed. First, let's go ahead and put the cedar planks in a large tray and then pour in the bourbon. Make sure it's fully submerged, but if it isn't, then add some water. Now leave these things to soak for at least 1 hour. I prefer to let mine soak for at least 3 hours to make sure that the flavor is soaked into the board and it gets into the fish. Next, in a large bag, add the vegetable oil, the soy sauce, the sesame seed oil, the rice vinegar, chopped green onions, grated ginger, and minced garlic. Give it a shake like it owes you Uno money, and now it's time to add the fish. Make sure whatever salmon you get, it's skinned. That way the flavors are able to go into the fish and add a nice bourbon cedar taste. And make sure you get most of the air out before you close it. Then try to move the marinade around to coat the fish. Now let it marinate for 15 minutes or up to an hour. Now while the fish is on a timeout, let's preheat the grill. Set the grill to medium heat, then place the planks on the grill until they start to crackle and smoke a little bit. Because it's not like you totally forgot to do this part for the recipe or anything, right? Now the planks are done heating up, place the salmon fillets on the planks and then close the grill. Leave them to cook for 20 minutes. The fish will be done when you can flake it with a fork. Oh, and you can toss the marinade, by the way. It's also important to know that the fish will still cook a little bit even after you remove it from the grill, so just keep that in mind. But now we're going to start on a sauce. So, in a large saucepan, add the orange preserves, the citron preserves, the ginger, then the garlic, then the bourbon, then the soy sauce. And at this point I realized that my pot was too small, so I had to grab another one. But then we're gonna add the Mirin, then the rice wine vinegar, and butter, and lastly, the chopped scallions. Then take the pot to the stove on medium-high heat until it starts to bubble, stirring occasionally. Once everything is mixed together and has started bubbling, add the cornstarch water mixture and then turn the heat down to low to keep warm until you're ready to eat. But yeah, this is definitely one of my more requested dishes from my family. They want me to make this every single chance they get. It probably gets eaten about like within 2 days, maybe less than that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I don't know how to end this. I'ma just go.